But always when there are tensions between me and Mbalula, for whatever reason, when we meet, we've always been cordial. Until I met him now at Prince Mangosuthu Buthelez's funeral, I could sense the tension because he came greeting everybody, and when he came to greeting me, he doubted whether he must come greet me, and I know him when he doesn't like people. So I could see that now we've reached the real point of disliking each other, and I don't care about him. He can go. So I don't care. And I'm the one who said to him there at Prince Mangosuthu, he wanted to avoid Msholos. I said, greet Msholos. And I went to greet Msholos. So he's personal like that. He's childish like that. He thinks that power never comes to an end. But what does he do with power? What does he do? I mean, he's nothing that there is nothing that you can say, oh, this guy is in power, and therefore because he's in power, I won't get 1, 2, 3. He won't block anything for you. He won't do anything for you. So he can as well just enjoy that power. We don't care about it.